Mandeville, Manchester is a very productive, constant productivity. And then I'm going to drive you to Mega Mart to show you. Rent land. Sorry, had to do that. Hillside Close. Put my indicator on. I see a for sale sign here. So there's stuff in here for sale, guys. Hillside Close. Just Google Map the Texaco gas station in Knott's Patrick, and you could just detour from there. Now let's take a look at the Hillside Close. Look at this, huh? For sale. Look at that. Vel, there's your house. So it's not a house; it's an apartment. So I already featured this, so I'll feature it again. Alright, lovely. The sun is just magnificent right now. Look at that. Rent it out, pass the money on to Ron. More for sale. When you buy, I eat escabeche fish, invite me at your house. Here we go. For sale again. Beautiful hedges. Well, are these plants for real? Are they just beautiful?
Yeah, they're beautiful. Yeah.
Bill, you want some of
This
that?
one look like an evergreen plant.
They're beautiful, right?
On the Christmas tree.
Maybe we could steal a piece of it and graph it? No? Beautiful little homes again. Thank you for liking and sharing watching my home videos. I can finally breathe and exhale. Like the counter and look like that? So, yeah? Yeah, it takes a lot of work to stop the crime.
Slim.
I wonder what's over there. You think we should venture that way?
Why not?
You know, you're an adventurer. I'm an adventurer. Let's try it. People, I need a different car, so let's get it popping. Fans, donate together or donate one of your old van to me. I'm going to these places. Whoa! Give me an old van.
4x4.
4x4. Even if it. No.
What you call it?
Oh, look at this. Would you mind buying this house for me? You feel like that? Why not buy the house for me and just call it Daddy? Let me zoom in.
And the funniest thing, this is the one I don't like. This one look like a shop.
All right, people, I'm gonna get the number for you. On the slow, I stop the video. Allied Real Estate Mortgage. 876-625-3836. All right. So, you can't just repaint it, right?
Yeah. But I don't like it too boxy for me.
Too boxy. Look at the view, though. You could dig down some of the box. Okay, like you said, the road is bad, huh?
Yeah, the road is bad.
They have to petition together, fix the roads. And that's the thing about Mandeville. You'll see a little road and I don't know what about there. A pier hill then build a house, man. So
this gem, yes.
Sometimes you would never know. Should the adventure continue or stop here?
Why not?
Oh, jeez, fellas. Wow. Them people are now playing up. You would think it's a Bacawal. It takes us out.
Yeah.
Them have them running water and it's a fire hydrant. Sometimes you find these gems that are not complete and they're for sale. So you always, when you come to Jamaica, you just have to drive around. Like if this was for sale, you have to think about it.
Yes.
One thing about what real estate, everything changes, right? And you say your favorite parish is Portland.
Portland. I love St. Anne.
Cool back here. And you have a piece of land and you do your farming. Very private, right? You know, sometimes when I see these little locks on places, man, I ask myself, why them do that? Why the little lock over there? It's like having a little dog in a yard.
Yes.
One little lock and you go and find a little lock for your thing.
Tiny lock. And a ply door.
Yeah, and a ply door. With a little piece of steel thing like, yes, this little lock is going to keep these people out. Definitely. So now, as far as roads are concerned, it's a community or is it political?
Sometimes it's the developer, depending on what bargain they make with the government. Yeah, they have the developer develop the road with the land while they sell the property, and then you have the government.
Look at this from this vantage point. Wow. You see that? That whole yeah, you can breathe here. Peaceful.
Can you imagine how you pass this and just go down there, so? And down the bottom is a little valley, and it's cool down there. And then you still have a lot of sunshine.
Yeah. 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 That's a lot of people don't know. That is what Manchester is all about. It's kind of like, as the world start getting to more weather conscious, the lands around places like this gonna be more expensive because people can work from anywhere now, right? So would you want to work from over here? You see what I'm saying, in your front yard, right? And you don't have to worry about flies and mosquitoes too much. You get the outside liberty. The outside liberty here is very high. You don't see no flying at the day, no mosquito. Sometime in the night. And what bothers me about Jamaica in some places, the mosquito or the flies. And it's how the people keep them places, because Manchester doesn't have much running water. You have to have tank water. You see me? We'll check the car. So that's what I love about this place. Did you like that?
Well, you're from Manchester.
Yeah. You think I'm a little biased?
Huh?
Wait till I bring you on top of the hill. From up on and grow. I used to walk barefoot. Now Murray Heights is another detour. See that square one? It's all square. I find that square homes, they don't have good water drainage system, so then the house start to take the water.
The shape of the house have to do with the water?
Yeah, how the water drain from the roof,
Really?
how they design it.
Okay.
Some of them don't have roof like, they have,
Oh, you mean slab?
yes.
Okay.
So sometimes they don't design it right, and the water beat against the wall when it's raining, as opposed to there's some steel here if you guys want any extra steel for your house. So this is not, much around here. But as you can see, when I come check on the land, look how people sometimes might just be on it living.
Living comfortably too.
Yeah. But this one in Maury Hill, nice. One thing I gotta say, shout out to Virgin Paint. Them do a good job in Jamaica. The quality of the paint. So, not much here. You have to wait because you need a clearance from this one in case you have to.
Is that dangerous or something? Dangerous enough.
Literally. Jamaica, I want to just pace yourself and take that time. Calm close. Now they're selling some house, I think, around here. And when to find a place we're gonna go. Big truck. Brooklyn taxi driver.
Let's hello.
New York City me drive, I have a little different talent. Now, I don't know if this is the one I went to all the way in, and there was actually, but here, we're not. There was actually some places back there for sale, but it doesn't seem like there's much going on here. But the next place I'm gonna bring you, oh yeah, there was a few things here. But not the neighborhood not look so up and up,
Compared to, you see, if you come here before,
Yeah.
it's really on to the hand.
So the neighborhood not look too up and up, one of the original places. So I think I came here once and I went back all the way around. But everywhere you look in time, everything is gonna be built up. No matter how it look now.
Right.
Time is what make things happen.
You just have to add a little bit of hole within you, right?
Yeah. Until the poor people them get some money. That's what's going on, right?
I just wanted authentic.
They want them house authentic.
They wanted look
Original.
the original.
So we now sell out, we now build a mansion. So this is what it's like. Today's Sunday, right?
Today's Sunday.
This is what it's like having a Sunday drive. Well, you want a red stripe? You don't drink red stripe. Who?
King.
Who's king?
And Shay and King.
Yeah?
Yeah. And the white t-shirt.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But I don't know where they're from.
too bad. Well, I have to go visit Mokoina.
Don't take it too close to this partner.
Alright, so we really get a tour. You notice I'm not leave no stones unturned. You know say?
Listen that?
Okay. You mind? Are you okay?
No,
I'm gonna jump ahead and today's your drive day. I'm gonna jump ahead and I'm gonna show you a special place that I found. I'm taking you right to that, and when we're coming back we could go to Avondale. It's Sunday. It's time for ice cream. I want cone and ice cream on, the works. What's for dinner today?
some steamed fish. Rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Or you want to do it this way? Do you want to do it?
Cedar Drive is pretty nice. Right?
Banana.
Steamed fish with, we have to get some kami and dumpling.
They had fried dumpling this morning, so now we're more again.
Okay. Steamed fish with green banana and you said yam.
Yes.
We have no okra. No, we might pick up some at the market. Okra, yeah. Definitely.
Sure, I don't want to add some of that watergrass with it.
Steamed watergrass with the carlo? With the fish?
Yes.
Yeah, man, I've steamed some watergrass with the callaloo. Your body feels stronger after that? You feel any different?
Yeah, I don't feel much.
Okay, I'll drink some. Checking the gas pedal. It's kind of hard to press on what's going on. So we're leaving our spot right now. Fisher Road. Alright, no. This is for sale. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Remember that. Why does it provide 2 bedrooms and 2 baths for sale? 22 million. That's not bad. What's that? That's 200,000 US.
That's not good.
How much is 22 million in US?
Yes, I'm not sure.
All right.
Yeah.
But no, 10 million is what? 100,000. Yeah, so that's like 200,000 for 2 bedrooms, right? You don't think that's good?
No, I think it's expensive. But I don't know what's inside. I don't know what the 2-bedroom entails. So I don't know if they're all en suites. I don't know.
So if we call that lady there for give you a tour, you know?
Yeah.
This little turn, I did it before. It was a nice little vibe. I just wanted to show
Oh,
you.
this is nice.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, this is nice.
look at these.
Actually, look there. This here. The stonework with the trees coming out of the ground.
Yeah.
Nice texture. That's art right there.
I like how they painted this house. It has character.
Remind me of ice cream.
It reminds me of ice cream. Personality. I'm on 19, man. Them man live them best life. Yeah. Yeah, man. Round here, so. And that's the original. I did do a turn off to my destination, but that was some construction. It's further down Palm. Remember where we went and we said it wasn't up to speed? All the way back. Now if you look at this, houses are a lot to maintain, right?
Yes. From the yard to the inside. To kids. To tile. To the re-plumbing. To clean. Because it could actually be easier in terms of because once you turn up something just to maintain it, nobody will know where to mess it up. But when the house is small in the same space,
okay. You see when school start back, the challenge with Mandeville when school start back. People to leave it. We're gonna go into the city to get some ice cream at Mega Mart. I'm gonna show you Mega Mart, and you can pick up anything you like. And we're gonna get some okras. Welcome to Mandeville's. What happened? Stop. You get your coconut and thing. I think 4 o'clock today. Yeah. Sweet Mandeville. Okay, a Brooklyn driver. When you're with me, you just have to just know that you're safe.
it's the inconvenience
Of what?
of stopping, exchanging numbers and extra money payout.
So we're in Jamaica, same like in the States. Insurance, police have to come and make a report.
Yes.
Or you decide.
No, you can actually make the report.
How do you make
But if the drivers are amicable, then you can work it out through your insurance. And depending on the accident as well. You know the magnitude of the accident. Yeah. But if some people being stubborn, you don't move, you stay where you are, you call the police and let them deal with it.
Jamaica, you know.
Stop lights.
Yeah, man. I'm sharp with it now. We have shocks now. Daddy got a brand new shocks.
Some real Jamaican driver. You're not supposed to be.
Push out so far.
You don't get a ticket in your country for this?
No, sir.
No?
Me? You get a ticket for this? In Jamaica?
No, but the thing is, a lot of people don't understand that the reason why you're stuck, at least a car length from if a big vehicle coming around the corner to turn, you're obstructing the traffic.
Yeah. Shout out to my mother. You have me. You have me, mama, so big up yourself. If I never you, my head would not breathe here right now.
Amen.
You know, say every man I make it up, I have to big up to my mother. My mother don't like drive with me, you know. She say, no, sir, I'm not going to do that early. I say, mommy, you have it. Yeah, I'm trusting that the one and drive around them, I'm not going to let you down. I'm safe in the mama, I'm always up on the brakes, you know, mama. Trust me now. You know, so I drive from my brakes still. I drive on the gas, you know. You drive by your brakes?
You drive by my brakes. Shadowing my brake. Shadowing my brake.
So this is
But
Mega.
I'm a 200.
You're at 200. People, this is Mega Mart. Just to show you the life in Mandeville. You feel that sun, Violetta?
Yeah, sun feels good. And this is good vitamin D too.
Yes, me not taking nowhere shot of vitamin D. You hear me say? Okay. You wrong with Jamaica Good Life. Vitamin D have enough. Alright, mask up.
I'm not drinking beer.
What beer there? Me too. Alright, so we'll keep the camera on. Forgive me for the shaking. I got new mask from Violetta, so we're good to go. And welcome to the show, by the way.
Thanks for
It's a
having
pleasure
me.
to have you. You're a classy woman, and this is a classy program. All right? Every now and then I'm nice people. I may have nice people around me. Dr. Boy, Randy. Always going like in my country. Sometimes I wash my foot and give me a second. Let me get the door for you, ma'am. We always open door for women. That's what we do in Jamaica. We open door for women. All right, my dear. So this is Mega Mart in Mandeville. So as you can see, New World's Auto Parts. That's some of my car. That's some take care of my car. New World's Auto Parts. Make sure the car door locked. Oh, you like this? Got a driveway? Got a driveway though?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it nice?
I think it's different.
But how you gonna walk on it when you're walking? Still not going out? I mean, ready to park the car?
Yes.
Because water will always go in it. I don't know if dog shit on it a problem. Whoa, sir? No, sir. All right, well, this is Mega Mart in Mandeville. So, this is basically no time from Nat Patrick, and you're in Mandeville. This is Returning Resident Central. Sorry.
And so that power shield.
You remember the name of that wine? You don't remember the name of that wine?
La Moff Parrot.
La Moff Parrot. Parole. Parole.
Isn't it about this?
No, no. But they might have it.
What's that?
Yes. Pepper. Mega Mart has your vegetable and stuff. We want some look okra. How much for them?
140.
That's not bad. Get 2 pack.
You know, like the big ones.
Beautiful. You want to get some blueberries too? You like blueberries? They're like $1,000 in the States. No, sir.
I don't buy blueberries here. That's why when I go to the
They're too expensive. Yeah. So we're gonna make some banana and kale for lunch. Juice, lunch. Yeah. Yeah, I have some red peas. Yes, a pack of red peas. But you know, let me tell you something. You see the probiotic yogurt? Have you tried that?
Yes.
You like it, right?
That's right.
Because these yogurt, which one do you like?
Rich creamy.
Take the one you like. You need a basket? You know, once we start, we're going to just go buy some ice cream. Randy is not going to buy no pig steak right now. pass, you know, can't slip one of the piece of meat on the back and me pick it up. You can't slip piece of the meat on the back and me pick it up. Work with me, man, work with me. What do you think? You have no pumpkin enough?
Yeah.
Them look clean enough. Me couldn't start the shopping in Noville. Let's not do it.
No.
Alright, my dear. You know, so I definitely need another spoon. Another spoon and a teacup.
Well, you know how to take up your hair?
No.
No?
A moth per roll. Uh-huh. The letter. The classic red.
Yes.
A 14 me pay feet at that store there, you know.
Yeah, but if you have a
But
job,
look here.
maybe you're gonna-
Look here. Maybe I eat this. This is the same thing I said. I ate this. Can you read
This is
down?
the same. See that?
15.
All
Same
of this,
thing.
Yes.
A 15, right? It's $100 more.
Yeah.
And this one is also good too, you know. But this is one you love.
Yeah, that's the one that we had before. I like that.
So if this is the one you love, yeah, sorry for the pause. Let's get to it. Man, if it much things, you know. Boom. No, I get two, man. You love it. All right, we're good now. Let's be disciplined. You just want to look around, right? Yeah, me need a spoon. But them have nice pillows, guys. Nice pillows. All right, right over there. So, yeah. So, one spoon, you know. How much it cost?
This is one. This is not
How much for the pack, yes, sir?
Well, these are tiny.
How much for that pack, then? The one the bigger?
No, but this is tiny.
Not that one there.
Which one is? Which
What
one
about
is?
these? Them bigger? No, right?
No.
Boschko probably sell bigger spoon and less costly.
You have enough for this?
Fork?
Yeah.
We'll get to that Boschko.
Okay.
You think, may I know Boschko open today?
No, these are tiny.
Yeah.
I'm buy this for myself.
Nice, me have.
No. This is for me.
You
I
like
need
this
one.
quality?
No. Yeah, but I have the big one, but I wanted the small one, but I can't find it in town.
Okay.
So I'm gonna find out.
You know, say, but I'll go Boschko because I get to pot holder.
Okay.
Because I know, sir. Now let me ask you something. What you put on the floor if it make it smell good? Then you need. Okay.
Not only does it smell good, it is good.
Okay. Gotcha. So, for the thing later, Bosco. You know Mega Mart is great, it's pricey. Now I'm gonna need to get soap. So maybe Bosco. Well, you throw it in the clothes when? With the washing machine may have can do it? You're gonna throw it directly on the clothes.
When it's rinsing.
When it rinsing. So when the rinse cycle put in it.
Yeah.
Alright, so I have to get some. Find the cheapest one over there, so. I just gas money may have left. Thank you, Maria D. will pay for gas. And you make the show continue. Alright, now I'm going to buy some soap. Springtime. See, this is how them sell soap at Jamaica, people. In the park. How much I want they cost?
I can't tell you.
So which soap you like, Vel? Which one of the soap that you like as a woman in Jamaica?
I use Ariel.
Why?
Because I like how that my clothes smell and I like breeze.
Wait, that $3,000 feet?
Wait, that's what
I've got left Ariel. How much for that one, yeah?
But the one that you were using last month, you must still have this one?
Yeah, 1,400 or better. I've got left on the okay, right? You hold it in my hand? Or you can hold it?
No, let me try.
Alright. Boy. We have okra, we have soap. Are we good? We're good to go. We never get the ice cream. I'll get some ice cream, then. All right. I know they don't sell Devon House here. God, that's all you eat. But I remember when I was growing up, there was this.
If I'm not gonna have ice cream, I'll have this drumstick.
That's what you like?
Yeah.
Get that, get that. Gaza, we're gonna come over and do ice cream sundaes. The kids. You good? You ready?
Strawberry ice cream?
You don't like strawberry ice
No,
cream?
I'm saying that is dying flavor.
Eh? Nobody say nothing. No. Whoa, nobody. Nobody, hey. Man. So it's all shake of them there, but we not come for that.
No, you know, I have enough.
What?
10 peas to make the ice.
What you want?
You wasn't going to do the rest of it.
Now peas, you know.
It's not take forever to do.
Eh?
It's not take forever to do.
You're talking instant peas?
Yes, no one sent it. I'm nice.
What kind of instant peas is that? Oh, like beans?
You know. You have coconut milk, right?
Yeah. Oh, good. You know, in the supermarket, you can't come for one thing, you know. So this is Jamaica Good Life, and This is how we live on the weekend on Sunday. Just want to show you guys. How much is your bag?
184, 161.
161 is fine.
We just put these in there and carry that in our hand.
Yeah. You do senior citizen discount?
Oh, not on a Sunday?
No,
Oh, okay.
Wednesdays and Fridays. The mind that effective.
Letty, check your name Friday.
There you go. It's on this one. Send you what I add.
Okay.
No, she put the carrot more, yeah.